I'm going to throw you another challenge. Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
You are going to work with a partner. So one person is going to give the instructions, the other person is going to build, but you're not going to look at each other.
Okay. And I put another one beside another one. Don't look too fast. And two led beside it. One led beside it. Okay. That's not it. You said two red, then you said one. Put another one beside the other one. You said one red. I did. One on the other. There's the other red there, and you said it's wrong.
We're done. I'll give you one more minute. When you're done, just put it down with your other towers. Can you please come and put your buildings right side up along with George's building, and we'll see. This was a really hard one.
This one is a really easy one.
Do we have all the towers now?
Yeah.
Perfect. Can you go back to your spot then, please, so we can talk about this? This was our last challenge, and we're just going to wrap it up right now.
Like this?
Rameza and Alicia did something really wonderful. They did something a little different than us. Did you guys speak in Urdu?
Yeah.
And what did you just tell me, Alicia, about giving the instructions?
It was so easy to tell.
Was it easy because you got to speak in Urdu?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's okay, you know. If you have a partner that speaks the same other language than you can do that. If that makes it easier for you. I know sometimes we think it's so silly. In class we're not supposed to be speaking Urdu or Gujarati or Farsi or Dari. But you know what? If you have a friend that speaks that language, then that's fine. Which one is yours? Do you remember this one? Okay. What was the easiest part for instructions? I'll ask her and then I'll ask you. Which part of it though? Which part of the brown was easy to describe?
The bridge.
The bridge. That's what you called it? Make a bridge? Did anyone call this part by something else?
No.
Did you give it a name when you were describing it about building? Did you give it a name? Did anyone give it a name?
I gave it a magnet. Tunnel?
It looked like a magnet. And a tunnel?
We call it a table.
Yeah, a tunnel. A table? Or this one. C. Right? Now, what part was really difficult to explain how to make? What was the hard part to explain? This is for instructors. What was the hard part to tell? Using your words, what was the hard part to describe to your partner? Kaya?
It was this and that.
Putting them together?
Yeah.
Putting the blue with the brown was the difficult part. Now, for builders, was there a part that was easier for you to build?
The line.
Oh, the row of the brown, right? Yeah, the line. That part was the easiest part?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was the most challenging part, most difficult? What was hard, Amna?
The V that was the V.
Oh, and look, she gave it a name, the V. That's a hard thing, especially hard to describe. Well, boys and girls, George is very happy because now we have rebuilt his city, and he promises never to touch that button again.
What if somebody else presses the button?
What should they do then, Anika? What should they do for the button?
They have to call the builders.
They have to call the builders if they press it? Could they protect the button?
Yeah. If they can protect the button.
How?
They can put a security thing.
A security thing on top of it?
If they touch
a shield.
Or if they step on something, they get locked.
Well, everything is fine now in our future world, and so they can all go back to living happily and dancing and singing and playing and going to school. Thanks to all of you.